Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now, where are we going to start today? We've got howl, snarl and bark and bay. Those are all things a dog or a wolf does, aren't they? Sound like a dog. Right. What next? Stream and play. They're sort of YouTube-y things. Not completely convinced by that. Ladder, chain, those are all kind of related as well, but again, not completely convinced. What's garnish got to do with any of the others? Garnish is like a decoration, but none of the others look remotely like that. But garnish is also not the sort of word you can put something before or after very easily. So that's going to be a bit confusing. Unless maybe the group is things where you can change one letter to make cleaning products like varnish. I'm not sure. What about muddle? Muddle and stir. Those are basically synonyms, aren't they? But again, not sure if there's 2 others that are. Okay. What about pyramid? There's the pyramid stage. There's obviously pyramids in Giza, and it's just a shape, but clearly none of the others are shapes, none of the others are in Egypt. So, I don't know what to do. Air guitar, air something. You can air something, stream it, play it and run it? That feels plausible. They all mean to put on a show, essentially. To broadcast as online media, yes, that's exactly what I meant. Now, what about the last 2? Treehouse might have a ladder. Not sure what other 2 things might go in that group, so that's almost certainly not going to be the group. I still think stir and muddle are going to be connected. Garnish is something you put on a bit of food when you're done. Stir is something you do to food when you're preparing it, but I'm not sure that's going to be the group either. Ladder has a snake at the end. Strain has a form of transport at the end. That doesn't seem promising. A tree graph, a chain, family tree, family pyramid? Are they all just sort of types of graphs? Like the family tree is a sort of interconnected graph. I'm not completely convinced either. But it might be something along those lines, like a tree, a pyramid, a ladder and a chain. They all feel like they're sort of connected. And then stir, garnish, muddle and strain. I mean, that is plausible that these are all things you do when you're preparing food or something. They're all cocktail making verbs, yeah. That is what I was getting at. And then these 4 are organisational structures. That's, again, kind of what I was getting at when I said family tree. So, I mean, it doesn't really matter if I didn't get the actual connections, because you only have to put the 4 words together. But I was pretty close to all of the connections today anyway. So, that is a perfect connections game. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.